it's Alana from Baker Art. So I'm back to attempt another Dutch pour tonight. Now I'm doing 3 split, so 2 blue, white down the middle. I have already pre-painted the edges, so because it's a darker colour, I like to have that coverage, get the corners nice and covered so that there's no canvas showing through. Okay, so no mucking around, we will get started. I'll just quickly run through the colours with you. These are Heraldo, so that is the colour that I'm going to use. It's called Harbour Night. It's like a really dark blue. You can see here, this is the dried colour, very dark blue. This is straight paint, but this is mixed with PVA. The PVA should dry clear, so it should still dry in this colour. Then I've got my white for down the middle. That is just house paint, white house paint with my PVA and water. So this is PVA and water, 2 parts PVA, 1 part water that I use as my pouring medium here. And with that, with the house paint, I've done it 1:1. With the Heraldo, I have actually done it 7:1 because the Heraldo is quite thick. The other colours I'm going to be using are, I've got a metallic copper and a metallic gold. This is a green turquoise and a colour called Blue Mist. Now these are called, the brand is called Crafty Colour, and it comes from Bunnings here in Australia. I'm not sure if you can get that anywhere else but here. And the other colour I'm going to use is Heraldo Deep Sea, and I've mixed that one as well at 7:1. I think it still could actually be a little bit too thick, but we will see. I might add a drop of water to that. So you want it to be running nice and, you know, I think I've got them thin enough. I might just add a touch of water to that Heraldo green. Just added a couple of drops of water into that. I put it in a little container that is, I could have gone a little bit bigger because we're right up to the top here, but I wasn't sure of the ratio, so I ended up having to go 7:1. So I ended up having to add quite a lot more of the PVA than I was expecting. So I wouldn't have made this much for what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm going to get the base laid down and get back to you. So I'll give it a blow now. It'll also have another couple of blows before I'm done. Okay. So I'm going to work out the colours. Alright, I think I might go a little bit of this blue mist first. Okay, I'm just going to do a little blow over. And then, I've got a little plan here of how I want to do it. So I want to come out this way, up, down, up. Alright, let's go. had a little bit of a fiddle with it. I haven't done too much with it because it's probably already a little bit too messy through here. I'm liking the amount of colour that I have on the blue bit, maybe a little bit too much in the white, but I think I'm going to just leave it. Okay, so this is the close-up, the reflection. So the metallic, when that dries, will catch the light. Okay. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this metallic and a little bit of the turquoise is shining through there in the blue, which is really nice there. Here, this bit, very sort of sparkly. Alright, we will see how it dries and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm back for an update. It is all dry now, so we're dry to the touch. I will let it hang on my wall for another couple of weeks before I do any garnishing or anything with it, just to be sure to cure it. So as you can see, it's all dried smooth. The copper and metallic when catch the light nicely. I really like how this bit turned out. Okay, some weird little silly things happening up there. Bit of lacing over there, and the gold and the copper are not overbearing, they're just sort of shining through, so that's good.